Hi, everyone, and welcome back to MAH English. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Whether you're driving to work, relaxing at home, or taking a walk, we're really happy to be here with you.
Yes, and we're excited to help you improve your English step by step.
In today's episode on MAHD English, we're going to talk about something that almost every learner wants to know.
How can you learn English faster and more effectively?
Learning a language takes time, but the way you study can make a huge difference.
Exactly. Today, we'll share powerful daily habits that can help you make faster progress.
We'll talk about simple strategies you can use every day.
Common mistakes to avoid, smart ways to practice, and even how to stay motivated.
So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's begin.
All right, let's start with one of the most important keys, consistency.
Learning English quickly is not about studying once in a while.
It's about practicing regularly, even a little bit every day.
Think about it like going to the gym.
Short practice every day is much better than studying for hours only once a week.
Your brain needs daily contact with English to really improve.
Try to make English part of your everyday life.
You don't always need a textbook.
You can listen to English while cooking, read a short article during lunch, or watch a video before bed.
That's called surrounding yourself with English.
Exactly. Change your phone settings to English.
Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles.
And later, try watching without subtitles.
Listen to English music and try to catch familiar words.
You can even put small labels on things in your house like door, mirror, table, fridge.
It sounds simple, but it works.
Because your brain connects the object with the English word.
And don't forget talking to yourself.
Yes, talk to yourself in English during the day.
Say things like, I'm making coffee.
I'm opening the window. Today is a busy day.
This helps you start thinking in English naturally.
And that brings us to another key point. Stop translating everything.
Many learners translate in their head first.
And that makes speaking slower.
Instead, start forming simple thoughts directly in English.
It may feel strange at first, but it becomes natural with practice.
Now let's talk about vocabulary.
A lot of learners try to memorize long lists of single words.
But learning phrases is much better.
For example, don't just learn the word book.
Learn a phrase like, I'm reading a book.
Phrases teach you how English is really used in conversations.
Also, focus on common words first.
Because the most frequent 1,000 words cover most everyday English.
Now let's talk about vocabulary.
A lot of learners try to memorize long lists of single words.
But learning phrases is much better.
For example, don't just learn the word book.
Learn a phrase like, I'm reading a book.
Phrases teach you how English is really used in conversations.
Also, focus on common words first.
Because the most frequent 1,000 words cover most everyday English.
And of course, review is very important.
Use flashcards or apps and repeat words over time.
Now, speaking practice is another big challenge.
Many learners say, I don't have anyone to talk to.
But you can still improve.
Record your voice and listen back.
Practice shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately.
You can do this with YouTube videos.
Podcasts, or even with MAHD English episodes.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are not failures. They are part of learning.
Every mistake helps you grow.
And your attitude matters a lot.
If you think English is too hard, you will feel discouraged.
Instead, remind yourself, I'm improving every day.
Celebrate small progress.
Even learning 5 new words today is a win.
Now let's look at some common mistakes learners make.
First, studying but never using English.
Don't just watch videos.
Actively use new words in your own sentences.
Second, focusing too much on grammar in the beginning.
Grammar is important, but communication comes first.
Third, being afraid to speak.
You can't improve speaking without speaking.
Fourth, comparing yourself to others.
Everyone learns differently. Focus on your own journey.
And fifth, giving up too early.
Language learning takes time, but persistence always wins.
Before we finish, let's share a few personal tips.
For me, watching short English clips every day helps a lot.
I like writing a few sentences every night about my day.
It helps you practice writing and thinking in English.
Listening to podcasts while doing chores is great too.
Your brain gets used to English naturally.
And voice notes are amazing.
Record yourself speaking and notice your progress.
So remember, practice daily, use English actively.
Learn phrases, don't fear mistakes, and enjoy the journey.
Thank you for listening to today's episode on MAHD English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every single day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.